Please give a hand to Priska. Priska is a Taiwanese American singer-songwriter from Los Angeles, who, despite her small stature, will draw you in with her big voice and intimate lyrics.
Much like Maggie will.
Though she spent most of her adolescence, she didn't have the best adolescence. She was able to find solace and comfort in music and found that her strength lay in her ability to express herself through song. Priska has performed and competed in various international showcases and singing competitions. Judges and fans have been drawn in by her powerful vocals and soulful delivery. A lifelong lover of feeling out songs with her heart, Priska will take you on an emotional journey that involves heartache, loss, and learning to carve your own path. So everyone, please give a big welcome and round of applause to Priska.
Woo! Hi everyone, how's it going? It's a beautiful day in San Francisco. How you doing? Good. I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Can you guys hear that? All right, let's do this. This song's called Sunbeams, because it's pretty warm today, huh? The good and bad were always in her sight. The days would pass with sun so very bright, till one day the princess ran once no more, and run until they cannot see you. To my grave, and I will be the one to take your place. There once was light, where now is only dark. Was peace when now is only war. The time has moved and spun in all directions, till one day the princess running once no more, and run until they cannot see you. To my grave, and I will be the one to take your place. And sunbeams may come and go as they please, but the princess must flee. And sunbeams may come and go as they please, but the golden-haired princess must flee. Until they cannot see you, and run, so no one knows your name. And I will hold your secrets to my grave, and I will be the one to take your place. Thank you guys so much. Can we give a round of applause to this guy right here? Jonathan, thank you. We're going to switch out the mic stands really quick. Everyone, round of applause for Jonathan. Yes! Anything that I wanted to, as long as I put my hands and feet to use. So I must move before I lose myself to the reckless third of time. Now is not the time to be a silly child hiding recklessly from what they cannot see. Time is crashing, always pulling me farther away. And time will only make pains in love, will break and form cracks in us to someone we didn't mean to be. I wish you could stay in love with someone like me. Don't go so fast, keep time, keep pace. Wait for me to catch up. Fight fire with fear. Hold on, my dear. Promise me we'll give up. Don't go so fast, keep time, keep pace. Wait for me to catch up. Fight fire with fear. Hold on, my dear. Promise me you won't give up. Thanks, guys. I've only got a couple more songs for you guys, but my name's Priska. If you guys want to hang out more online, I'm at Priska Music. That's Priska MUSIK on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you name it. we can be friends there. So if you guys want to add it, I just had a new album come out, so you guys can check that out on Spotify, on iTunes, and all the things. My friend actually recently sent me a video of her telling her Alexa to play my album. So it works. It's up there. So yeah, it's been so lovely to spend time with you. This is actually a cover. This is by Lorde. This is called Liability.
Says he made the big mistake of dancing in my store. Says it was poison. So I guess I'll go home into the arms of the girl that I love, the only love I haven't screwed up. She's so hard to please, but she's a foolish fire. And I do my best to meet her demands, but in romance we slow dance in the living room where the stranger would see. There's one girl swaying alone, stroking her cheek, and they say, you're a little much for me, you're a liability, you're a little much for me. So they pull back, make other plans. I understand, I'm a liability. Get you oil, make you leave. I'm a little much for truth is, I am a toy that people enjoy till all of the parts don't work anymore, and then they are bored. I know it's exciting running through the night, but every perfect summer's eating me alive until you're gone. Bitter on my own, they say you're a little much for me. You're a liability. You're a little much for me. So they pull back, make other plans. I understand, I'm a liability. Get you wild, make you leave. I'm a little much for Thanks guys, I've got one last song for you. It's really been a nice time with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a lot of fun. There's activities, there's games, there's arts and crafts. There's also a cool featured exhibit with, I hear, 50 different Taiwanese American art authors. So please, thank you guys for supporting Asian American art and Asian American people in general. Thank you for the just the beautiful time we've had together today. So this is my last song. This is called Rescue Me. Thank you guys. And Shirley, this is free. Watching these old ships sink slowly till they start going shit. And I feel just like I've been thrown overboard, and I never got to ask why. So you swept the hair out of my face, and you saw the tears streaming down. Well, even though it's over and done with, well, I guess I still want you around. So please come rescue me. I'm breaking apart and I'm sinking it slowly, slowly. So please come rescue me. You ripped a hole in my soul and I'm sinking it slowly. So I'm watching you from a distance, and you're smiling with another, with a mind could say, in this safe new harbor, I still miss sailing the seas with you. So please come rescue me. I'm breaking apart and I'm sinking it slowly, slowly. So please come rescue me. You ripped a hole in my soul and I'm sinking it slowly. So please come rescue me. I'm breaking apart and I'm sinking it slowly. So please come rescue me. I'm breaking apart and I'm sinking it slowly. Thank you guys so much, Chris Scott.